Hey guys, John with HillCo here. Hopefully you can hear me. It is December 16th and we finally got a concrete contractor in here to bust up this concrete in this section, which will be our workshop area where we're going to be assembling extractors and other equipment. This concrete in several spots had buckled and heaved and was cracked up, just a big old mess. And so we needed to get that tore out and re-poured new flat work in there and get it all nice and flat and smooth for our new workshop area. So that's the update for today. Lots of exciting things going on around here, and we will continue to update you. Have a great day.